What a fail of a video. What a fucking fail of a haul. Tie-dye transformation. This is just garbage. Hello my beautiful butterflies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you don't know me, and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of items that I picked up from Pretty Little Thing. I did purchase these items a couple months ago and they took a while to get in the mail, and then they've kind of just been sitting in my closet waiting for this video. So it's long overdue, like all my other videos. Basically what I'm going to be doing is unboxing all these things for you guys. The reason why I ordered all of this stuff was because I wanted to tie-dye a bunch of things. However, it was cheaper to get it from Pretty Little Thing than it was for me to get it from Amazon or anywhere else. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. And I'm gonna try the stuff on too so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm gonna keep this just in case something goes wrong. So I ordered a pair of white basic cuffed hem joggers. I'm gonna try and not rip this stuff apart too much again, just in case something goes wrong and I need to return anything. There's like a bunch of... Alright. We're gonna try it on. So the next item that I got was the basic white jersey square neck crop. Well, I guess I should tell you guys the sizes I got. So I got a size 8 in the joggers and a size 8 in the crop. I don't like things to be too tight. I like things to be a little loose fitting. So I ordered everything kind of bigger than what my size probably would be. Cute. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. What is it with all these fucking goose? Like, come on, Pretty Little Thing, that's annoying. Well, so this is what the top looks like. It's just a little crop. So we shall try this on. Okay, so this is me wearing the joggers and one of the tanks. This is what the joggers kind of looks like on. Not very impressed. Not comfortable. Not... It just fits weird. It feels weird in the crotch. I just don't really like them. Top, same thing. I don't like the look of this at all. It just looks really unflattering on me. It's a no for me for this little ensemble, unfortunately. Just really too bad. The next thing that I got was a white slinky long line cycle short in the size 8, and I'm kind of terrified for these. These are what they look like. Much longer than I thought. So we'll see. We'll see. Try them on. The next thing that I got was the basic white V-neck crop t-shirt in the size 8 again. So this is what this shirt looks like. It's got like kind of just a little loose flappy front, which I love. I love that loose look, so I'm gonna try that on for you guys. I don't even want to film wearing this. This is so bad. This is the top. The other top that's supposed to be like, it's supposed to be like loose and like, and I got such a big size and it's skin tight. And these, why do people think biker shorts are cute? I look fucking hideous in these. Jesus Christ. This is awful. This is awful. This is horrible. Fuck. What a fail of a video. What a fucking fail of a haul. Tie-dye transformation. This is just garbage. So far, out of the 5 clothing pieces, 4 of them are shit, and I'm not tie-dyeing them or wearing them. And the last thing that I got in my haul was the basic white short sleeve t-shirt dress in the size 10. Again, these are all UK sizes as well, so I think they're smaller sizes for US sizing, but it's just UK sizing on the packaging. So I'm gonna try this on. let's go. So this is the last item that I purchased from Pretty Little Thing. It's a t-shirt dress. And I was gonna keep this out of the 5 things, but I'm honestly so fucking annoyed that nothing worked and everything looked like shit and the quality is so shit. I do not recommend buying from them at all. Don't buy from them. Don't. Unless you are okay with shit quality clothing, because that's what you're gonna get. So I'm returning all of this and I'm fucking pissed. Okay, so just a little update. I did some research and it looks like even though I have to pay for shipping, which is annoying, I can return and send back the items, which is probably what I'm gonna do. So that sucks. So that was what all of the items looked like on myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing haul slash try on. If you did, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Please make sure you also give my Instagram a follow. It is beauty_redefined_by_holly. I post probably a lot more frequently on there than I do on my YouTube, and I post a lot more on my day-to-day, a lot more makeup looks, stuff like that. If you want to see the details for this makeup look, go check out my Instagram to find out what products I use to create this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love all of you beautiful butterflies so much, and I will see you in the next one.